Hey everybody, I love using resin, but I find that hot glue is a nice alternative to filling silicone molds. If you watch me regularly, then you know it's one of my favorite techniques. Well, today on Make Your Mark, we are making hot glue ornaments with silicone molds from Redesign with Prima and my Surebonder glue guns. Are you ready? Let's make some ornaments. You can use Surebonder glue guns at a high temperature or low temperature. I use the high temperature for filling silicone molds because it gets into the details better. Low temperature is better suited for crafts like adding fabric bows to a wreath. Some folks are very sensitive to resin fumes, and I find that hot glue is a wonderful alternative to resin for many projects. It's easy to find and it doesn't get messy. Hot glue melts at 250 to 375 degrees, so you don't have to worry about your project melting in the sun. And by the way, if it's 250 degrees outside, you're not worrying about your hot glue gun projects. I promise. I'm gonna leave a link for everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press that notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at Mark Montano. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts, and I will see you real soon. Bye.